Hi, welcome back to Java tutorial. Today we will use a simple program called how to make a picture puzzle game using Java. So it's a simple one where we can go and discuss with complete swing also. Today we are going to use, so once generate the output, what happen? The program will give a puzzle like this and and we can change and do whatever one like this. So we can go the simple program here. So we can create a, first of all you have to import the packages like event, okay, swing, and also then class puzzle. You can extend jframe implements action listener, and we have idea about j button, so we can create a but number of buttons like b1 to b9 and sample start b. And thing is, for execute this project or mini project like this, we have to download the program, pictures, and insert it. So if you want, you can check it out. There will be a picture, and you can give the relevant diagrams. Okay, picture like start b0, b10, b20, main.jpg. So this icon, this for check the picture. So we have to insert the picture, like it's almost 29 images there. We have to insert, then only you can view the picture puzzle output properly. Then we can call the picture puzzle class, and I'm going to give us a super keyword. Then I'm going to write a b1 is equal to new j button of ic1, and I'm going to set the bounds like a 10 to 10 100 like this, and button 2. So what are the buttons we can now up to b9? All the buttons we are going to set the icon number as well as the size and so on and so on. And this we are writing sample new is equal j button of com like that. So all of you have idea about Java swing everything you can easily understand. And we have menu bar and icon, everything you have idea how it comes from. Then we can give the like this label, set the label like a j label. L1 could new j of a sample. Then we are going to label to as a new label note, so we can give icon as power to swap with neighbors icon like that. Then you can give the j label L3 like click sample picture to next person. So whenever user click the user click the puzzle, what happen? It will put switch on to another screen, another picture again, and switch on it will be another. So this sample thing where I give we insert the only the three type of images where you can do the actions properly. Then you can give j button, then add the buttons necessary. So I told you up to b9 we need. Then we can write the labels like add l1 l2 and so on and so on, and buttons also action. So once everything over, you should add the even action listener. Then you can set the layout, and we can go for a public void action performed. So once user click, what will happen? So if e dot get source of p1, then what happen? Icon s1. Then if not there, go to the another action, and else if, then you go again another action and keep on writing the coding. So activate all the activate and implement the listeners. Okay, then you can go and go to the get source, and you can go for the another for everything. So button b1, b3, b4, and b7 we are writing the code, and we are continue up to for b5. So as of now, I told you we have to insert around 20 images, then only can continue the coding here, otherwise you won't get the output. Then we are giving for b6, so repeated coding only b7. So up to b9 we have to write the coding like this. So simple coding only, we are just writing if else statement only. If what happen, if not what happen, how image swap, and they give the proper diagram like this. And we can give the and then we can give the sample dot set icon of, then we can go like this v1 dot set icon ic11 like this. So we can keep on going for then, and sample data on level. So keep on going, and auction performance you can go for last, that is public set void main string as usual, new picks puzzle to ops Java like that. So the simple program what we are going to do is we are importing the packages. Then we are going to call the class called pick puzzle 2, and we are extending the jframe, and we are going to insert the icon. First of all insert the icon, then we can call the path. So it's because by default I stored everything the fixer folder. Number is called 12.jpg, 13.jpg like that, and we can call the class, and call the activate all the listeners and so on and so on, and we can go for compilation. So Java space pick puzzle 2.java. There is no error. You can go for run the program, that is Java space pick puzzle 2. Then once you complete everything, we show the output here. So output I can do something, some actions here. Yeah, I can do something. Sorry, it's not coming. So yeah, it's changing up puzzle. So when you do like this, it may change. Go for another picture. Yes. So in possible I can swap. See swapping now. So this picture puzzle output. So when I want, we can click here. User conveniently can do something here. So like this. I hope that you understand this concept with the help of JavaSwing. If you have any questions, please kindly communicate with the social media. Thank you for watching video. Thank you.